ABCs for the absolute beginner. This is number 7. We are working with both quarter notes and our half notes and reading ABC. So let's hop to it and start reading it. 1, 2, ready, read. A, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, B, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, B, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, B, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do just the fingers because we're working on reading, getting those fingers down, the bow, and playing. So there's so much at once. We want to do as much as we can to make something automatic before we put it all together because there is no such thing as multitasking. So I'm going to set my 3 fingers down. We'll open 1, 2, 3, and slightly lift up. This is just fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. A, 1, 2, 3, first finger. B, B, B. 1, 2, second finger, go. C, C, C. Then back to first finger, go. B, B, B. 1, 2, open A, go. A, 1, 2, first finger, go. B, B, B. 1, 2, second finger, go. C, C, C. 1, 2, open A, go. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's slow it down a little bit so that we can make sure that we are still doing a full bow for these quarter notes. We still want to get that full bow so it's nice and relaxed. We're learning still how to use it, how to control it, and get a very good even sound throughout the entire thing. So 1, 2, 3, up, shoulder, chest, chin. Pull your hand all the way back and put those fingers right on that, on those tapes. You should probably have them. 1, 2, 3, and then lift up very slightly. Set your bow at the frog. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, da. First finger, ready, B. 1, 2, C, go. There's no lift. We're going up, go. Open A, ready, go. Stay right here, no lift, go. B. 1, 2, C, go. Leave your bow right here, open A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, up until now, we have been very comfortable starting every single measure with a down bow. So the first instinct for a lot of students when they do that first measure and they have a rest, they want to reset their bow and restart at the frog. There's no need for that for this particular piece. 1, 2, da, rest, 2, up bow, go. And so getting comfortable with doing up bows, take your time with that. Fight that urge to reset your bow, and that up bow will give you a lot of benefit in the future because we're going to have pickups, and up bows are really important too. All right. Keep rewinding and practicing with this and you'll get better.